We're on a record in cause number 325872, the state of Texas versus Sonia Nelson. Ms. Nelson, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Nelson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? I can't, it's on mute.
Try it again, please, Judge.
Ms. Nelson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may be seated and you can put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Nelson?
I'm doing okay.
All right, Ms. Nelson, I have before me a motion to revoke your probation.
Yes, sir.
In this motion, it alleges that on March 6th of 2020, that you were found guilty for the offense of assault family violence, and your punishment was a term of 180 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail, a fine of $800 in accordance with the provisions of Article 4212 of the Code of Criminal Procedure of the state of Texas, and the confinement was probated for 18 months. The state on December 4th of 2020 filed this motion to revoke your probation. And in this motion, there are 5 allegations. The first allegation alleges that you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court for the months of July and August of 2020 as directed in violation of condition 4 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
It's true.
Allegation 2 alleges
Yes, sir.
Allegation 2 alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment as far as possible as ordered by the court in violation of condition 6 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Allegation 3 alleges that you failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of September 28 of 2020, you were $580 in arrears in violation of condition 8 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Allegation 4 alleges that you failed to immediately report to the probation officer your phone number as ordered by the court in violation of condition 11 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Allegation 5 alleges that you failed to perform community service hours as required as court in violation of condition 14 of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
That's true.
Now, Ms. Nelson, are you pleading true to these allegations freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
Nelson, I have before me what has been marked as State's Exhibit number 1. On page 1 of this document, one box is checked stating that this is an MTRP, which means that this is a motion to revoke probation. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials at the bottom of this document. On the box that's checked MTRP and true allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are these your initials? Ms. Nelson, are these your initials on page 3?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this document, there's a signature at the top of this document that purports to be your signature. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, which is the trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, there's a signature at the bottom of this document on the line that says defendant that purports to be your signature. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Nelson, at the top of this document, there are 2 boxes that's checked. The first box states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Second box states that you are waiving, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, there's a document out there before you on paper that is titled the Discovery Certification. Did you sign that document?
Yes, sir.
Now, prior to signing and initialing the documents on paper and the documents on the tablet, the computer tablet, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr. Bynum?
No objection.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Bynum, you have advised and counseled Ms. Nelson. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your
No,
Honor.
Ms. Nelson, your attorney, Mr. Bynum, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Nelson, I will accept your pleas are true to allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will also find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your pleas and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. It's for 45 days.
Now, Ms. Nelson, the state is offering that you serve 45 days in the Jefferson County Jail. And, Ms. Nelson, you'll be required to pay court costs of $57. Would you be able to pay the $57 court costs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Nelson, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Nelson, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. And Ms. Nelson, you'll be given credit for any time that you entitled to get by law. And now, Ms. Nelson, in accordance with Texas Administrative Code Section 176.1, the court hereby admonish you of the following. Number 1, you are by entry of an order or judgment ineligible to, under Texas law, to possess a firearm or ammunition. Number 2, beginning now, if you possess a firearm or ammunition, it could lead to charges against you. If you have questions about how long you will be ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, you should consult an attorney. Number 3, under Texas Penal Code, Section 4.01, subsection 3A, firearm means any device designed, made, or adapted to expel a projectile through a barrel by using the energy generated by an explosion or burning substance, or any device readily convertible to that use. B, firearm does not include a firearm that may have as an integral part a folding knife, blade, or other characteristics of weapons made illegal by Penal Code Chapter 46, and that is 1, an antique or firearm manufactured before 1899, or 2, a replica of any antique or curio firearm manufactured before 1899, but only the replica does not use or fire ammunition. The statute listed below are a starting point for ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. For more information on the law eligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or for more information on how long your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition lasts, the court recommends you contact an attorney. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.292, Magistrate's Order for Emergency Protection. Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.0131, Notice for persons convicted of misdemeanors involving family violence. Section 46.02, unlawful carrying weapons. Penal Code Section 46.04, unlawful possession of firearm. Penal Code Section 25.07, violation of certain court orders or conditions of bond in a family violence, child abuse, or neglect. sexual assault or abuse, inducing assault, stalking, or trafficking case. Family Code Section 85.026, warning on protective orders. Now, Nelson, you will be given a copy of this admonishment by the bailiff. Please follow the bailiff and have a good day.
Yes, sir. Thank